Greetings, folks. I've got some good news. The microphones finally came in. So I've been spending all day getting things patched up, tidying things up and such. So unfortunately, I don't have enough cables right now to run the little receiver boxes, so this door is going to be taped closed when I'm done with it. But I will fix that as soon as possible. But for now, that's what you're going to have to deal with. Still have the receivers there, but I have reorganized the board too. So we've got handhelds 1 through 9. 1 through 8 are all of the new Audio-Technica stuff. 9 is one of the remaining Audio-Technica from 10 years ago that is still somehow miraculously working. This one. Don't necessarily need to put numbers on, write things on them, because when they power up, they will tell you what number they are. And if at any point you are unclear and it's shut off, you just touch the button on the back and it'll tell you again. Not sure what else to share at this point, but we've got a whole whack load of wireless microphones now. So enjoy.